So now I'm going to teach you how to make the caldo de patas. Now, this might be a little bit intimidating because one of the main ingredients is a cow's trotter. However, the best part about this is all of the collagen that comes out of this. This goes into the soup and makes it extremely healthy for you. It's really good for your bones, very good for your joints, but more importantly, this is a local favorite. Many people love this dish and is one of our best sellers in a lot of our restaurants. So today we're going to be making the caldo de patas, and we're very honored to have our special guest here, Mami Abu, my abuela. She is an absolute expert when it comes to Ecuadorian food, but specifically the caldo de patas. So as you can see here, we've got a bunch of ingredients in front of us. This is what we call our mise en place. This is everything ready to go and prepared beforehand. As you can see here, we have our garlic, our cumin, our salt, spring onion, our roughed dice onion, and our cow trotter. Mami Abu is going to show us how to prepare the cow trotter and how we're going to cook it, because it's very specific on how we cook it. Ready to go? Beautiful. So now at this point, we've got our pressure cooker on the stove. This is going to sit with the cow trotter for 3 hours, just like we see in the recipe there. And then we've got our mote on as well, and then this is going to sit here for 2 hours. Once these are both done, we will take them off the stove and we'll show you at that point. So right now it's cooking along, and it's got this really delicious flavor of the beef coming through there. But because we've used the trotter, it's got like this strong collagen which coats the tongue and really makes it an incredible flavor. So because of the collagen, it's going to make the soup have a thick tastiness to it, really fatty but extreme. It's just punched full of flavor. There is so much flavor in that, and one of the best things is that it's very healthy for you as well. Delicious so far. Excellent. So now that our caldo de patas is finished, we can see here that everything is nice and soft. Our mote is fully cooked. So we just take a nice big spoonful of that right in the center. Grab a little bit of sauce as well. Now, one trick when you're picking up sauces is there will always be some droplets at the bottom. If you simply touch that into the soup, it will prevent any more droplets from coming. And then straight over. Here we have it, our caldo de patas. It looks beautiful, it smells amazing, and it tastes phenomenal. And more importantly, it's really, really good for your bones and your joints because of all of that collagen. I hope you guys like this one, and I look forward to seeing you next time.